Say hi to the camera. Hi. So we're gonna unbox. So we're gonna show everybody what was in the box, okay?
Okay.
What was in the box? This was in the box.
Oh.
Yeah, show the camera. Hi everybody, this was in the box. What is up, YouTube? So I finished wiring everything for the reverse LED pods, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And a lot of you guys have requested for me to do this next, so that's what we're gonna do. Focus. Alright, so we're gonna head over to my friend Richard's house. He's the guy with the BMW 338i with a turbo and a BMW. So we're gonna go over to his house. He might help me install these. We might install them today. We don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys what the reverse pods look like. I think they look pretty good. So let's check it out. Thumbs up for the axle dump. It is so freaking loud. But anyway, when I get to Richard's house, I'm gonna show you guys how I wired the reverse LED mounts. I think axle dumping the truck was a good move. What up, slow beamer?
What's going on, man? Caleb's sleeping in the car.
Aw, look at that. That's his favorite spot, huh?
Oh yeah.
Inside his daddy's BMW. So what are you doing?
So, I don't know if you can see that. This is the trim inside of the window, and it goes like this on the inside.
Yeah.
Right. So there's felt up here, and this is like a piece of soft plastic. And if you can see the marks, it actually rubs up against the window.
Yeah.
So on all of my windows, there's actually scratches. So I'm getting it retinted later this week, and I'm cutting this off. So my new tint hopefully will last and won't get all scratched up.
Oh, so that's scratching up all all your tints. My truck's the same way.
Is it?
Yeah. Because my tires are so wide, it flies all the dirt. So it flings all the dirt to the window.
Yeah. And then there's I got like the finished parts over here. Like I'm pouring out. So like this is the driver's door. So you can see. So this is before. This is after it got cut. And this is before.
Okay.
So all we have left is just the felt to keep the dust out.
That's all you're doing?
Yeah.
Cool.
Then we're gonna throw in a radar detector too.
That's right. Your bike won't start. Triumph.
No, it's been sitting for 2 years. So I already changed the battery out on it, and then I don't know if just the gas went bad because I didn't put any like fuel stabilizer in it when I left it. So when it warms up, I'll start messing with that, drain the gas, look at the spark plugs and all that stuff.
I like Caleb's little bike.
Yeah, man, same color too.
Same color, right?
Right.
Dope. Ran the wires through here, zip tied it along this thing. And then I did the same, whoops. And I did the same for the other side. And then the wires meet up right here. And then I spliced it into one wire and then tapped into my reverse light which is this green wire right here. And then I just grounded the black wire to the frame somewhere over there. Right there. Right there. Yeah. So that's it. So you run the wires, and then you just find the meeting point, and then you splice both of the wires into one, and then you just tap into the green light, or the green wire, which is your reverse light. That's it. Wow. Wow. Did you like that? Say hi to the camera. Hi. So we're gonna unbox. So we're gonna show everybody what was in the box, okay? What was in the box? This was in the box. Yeah, show the camera. Hi everybody, this was in the box. And what is this, Caleb? What is this? You don't know? Lights. Lights. Lights for the bed of the truck. Wow. 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 Show the camera. Show the camera. No, show this to the camera. Show camera. See everybody, this is what I got. Not interested, huh? Thank you. Thank you, cameraman. So this is what was in the box. LED lights for the bed of the truck. And I'll show you guys where I'm gonna mount the switch. Thank you, cameraman. Come here, cameraman. Come over here. Come here. Thank you. It's still rolling. Yeah. What? How you gonna get it out? You just dropped your toy in there. You gotta get it. I can't get my hand down there. There you go. Good boy. You get it?
You got it? Almost.
Good boy.
Oh,
good job.
Go.
High five. Yeah.
What if his hand would have gotten stuck in there?
Did you just dropped your toy down there?
Yeah.
You gonna sit there and watch?
Alright, so so the bed lights are installed. They are right there. I haven't wired anything yet, but literally it's just, you just unpeel the 3M tape and I just stuck it under the bed, like right here. And then I'll just wire everything when I get home tonight. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. But literally it took like 5 minutes. It was probably the easiest install I've ever done. Alright y'all, here's the finished product. Boom. Bed lights. And I actually have the flash turned on my iPhone. I'll show you guys what the bed looks like without the bed lights. So that's without the bed lights. And let me go back to with bed lights. With bed lights, I can honestly see everything. And this is definitely gonna make, like, cause I go camping a lot, and this is definitely gonna make everything a lot easier. And I plan on putting a tonneau cover, so this is gonna be like a game changer for me. And I never would have thought, you know, of putting bed lights on my truck, but I would highly recommend it. And if you want to order this, I'll put the link in the description below on where you can get it. And I'm pretty sure you might be able to use a discount code. I'll try to figure out if I can get it for you guys. And you could probably get like, you know, you could probably save like 15% or something on car insurance. But let's see. Oh yeah, let me show you guys how I wired everything. So I ran it down through that hole. I'm gonna do a better job of hiding this later. But so it comes down here. And I kind of ran it through the frame, and then it goes behind on the other side. And here's a little inline fuse, and I ran the power all the way along the frame, and then it gets hooked up to the battery. And I've decided to put the switch right here on the frame. That's kind of dirty, but right on the frame. The reason why I did it right there is because I mean, if I'm gonna be out and using, if I need the light for, you know, the bed lights, I don't want to go in the truck and turn it on. I want to be able to, like, if I'm grabbing something and I can't see, I want to be able to just come right here and then turn the switch on and then access whatever I need to access right here. So that's why I put it out here. But if you're my subscribers and you live in the same area as me and you think it'd be funny to just leave my bed lights on, please don't, because that would be very unnecessary. I would not be very happy. But anyway, let me show you guys the reverse lights too. Yeah, these are ridiculous. Holy crap. It's like a light bar. Oh yeah, these are ridiculous. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna get smoked out third brake light, and I'm gonna put some LEDs in there because I hate how the halogen bulbs look because they're super yellow. And then I still have the 32-inch light bar that I gotta install. I'll probably do that sometime this week. I'll put it in the grill somewhere, like right there. And that's really it for this video. And if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you, the next mod, I'll probably be doing it Friday. Alright, so before I end this video, I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of what's gonna come this week and possibly, most likely next week. But if you guys didn't know already, my brother John, he has a 2014 GMC Sierra, and we ordered a lift kit, and it's here. Well, not at my house, but it's at the shop. It's at Dealer Options. We're just waiting for the upper control arms. We're gonna powder coat it red to match his truck, or not necessarily match that same red, but we're gonna powder coat basically the upper control arms, the cross member to red. So it's gonna look really good. So make sure to stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Another thing is these little reverse flush mounts. This one. So I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put it. And instead of me just trying to decide where I'm gonna put it on my truck, because I mean that one right there by itself is bright enough. I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's bright enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give that one away. So let's see, how should I do it? Leave your Instagram, leave a comment below, and make sure to put your Instagram username so that way I can pick somebody and then I'll DM you, okay? Also got a 42-inch light bar coming from McTuning. I'm gonna do a review and then I'm gonna be giving that away with you guys as well. Dalton's getting that same light bar, and I think we're just gonna do like we're gonna give them away at the same time, and we're gonna do like a combined giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, get me and Dalton to 10,000 subscribers by end of January. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.